Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. The excitement is building as Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10th approaches. We've got the latest scoop on what to expect: the much-anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6. But that's not all. There are whispers of a new high-end variant that's going to take the foldable experience to a whole new level. Let's dive into the details. First up, the star of the show, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This foldable beauty is set to feature a 6.3-inch cover display and a 7.6-inch internal screen. It's packed with all the latest tech to make your multitasking smoother and your viewing experience more immersive. But here's where things get even more interesting. According to a recent report from Foldables, Samsung is secretly working on a slimmer, higher-end version of the Z Fold 6. That's right, folks. A sleek new variant that's not just about aesthetics but also offers larger displays. This slimmer variant is rumored to feature a 6.5-inch cover display and an expansive 8-inch internal screen, larger than the standard Z Fold 6. Imagine the enhanced productivity and entertainment options with those extra inches of screen real estate. But here's the catch. This model is expected to have a very limited production run. Reports suggest that only 400,000 to 500,000 units will be made, making it a rare gem in the foldable phone market. And if you're wondering where you can get your hands on one, availability is rumored to be quite restricted. China is one of the few markets where this exclusive device might be launched. Mark your calendars, because this slimmer Z Fold 6 is expected to debut in the fourth quarter of 2024. It's going to be an exciting end to the year for Samsung fans. So, there you have it. The standard Galaxy Z Fold 6, making its debut at the upcoming Unpacked event, and a sneak peek into the future with the slimmer, high-end variant set for later this year. Are you excited about the Galaxy Z Fold 6? And what do you think about the slimmer, high-end variant? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tech updates, and we'll see you in the next one.